Hello everyone, welcome back to KBK Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy and tasty chili chicken. So let's get started. First we need to marinate the chicken. So for that here I have taken around 400 grams of boneless chicken cubes washed and cleaned, to which I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix all the ingredients and coat the chicken pieces well. Now let this marination sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make sauce for the chili chicken. So for that here I have taken 1 cup of water. To this I am adding in 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and mix everything well without any lumps. Our sauce mixture is ready, keep it aside. It's been 15 minutes, now let's start deep frying the chicken. Here I have kept some oil for deep frying and the oil is medium hot. Let's add in the chicken cubes one by one. Now fry them for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat till the chicken pieces are nicely cooked and turns crispy and golden in color. Now these are perfectly done. Let's take them out on an absorbing tissue paper. This is done. Let's quickly move on to the last step. Heat a pan on medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil is heated up, add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Now fry them for about a minute till the raw smell disappears. Next, I am adding in 1 small size onion petals, around 3 green chilies slit, half cup of green capsicum, half a cup of red capsicum, around 1 tablespoon of spring onion white, and a half teaspoon of salt. Now give everything a very good mix and fry them for about a minute. Next, add in the sauce mixture which we prepared earlier and keep stirring till you get nice thick gravy. Next, add in the fried chicken to the sauce. Keep the flame to high and mix well till the chicken is coated nicely with the sauce. That's it. Finally, add some spring onions on top of it and serve it hot. So dear friends, our tasty and spicy chili chicken is done and ready. Enjoy it with noodles or fried rice. If you like this video, hit the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.